Hello all and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to solve the HackerRank problem in Java for Stdin and Stdout. The challenge requires you to read input from Stdin standard input and write output to Stdout standard output. But before that, please like and subscribe. First, we need to identify our variables. The variables a, b, and c. Then we write the print statements. Let's write system.out.println and the name of the variable. The tests are successful. Thank you very much for watching.